Are you lost? Do you need directions?
Today we learn left, right, and straight ahead in English.
Never get lost again. Let's go. Hi, I'm William. Welcome to Learn English, Level A1.
And I'm Sarah. Today we talk about directions.
We learn to ask and understand simple directions.
Short and easy sentences for absolute beginners. Let's start.
Excuse me. I am lost. Where is the train station?
The train station? Go straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Okay. And then?
Then turn left at the traffic lights.
Turn left at the traffic lights. Got it. Is it far?
No, it is not far. Only 5 minutes on foot.
Great. Is the station on the left or on the right?
The station is on the right. You cannot miss it.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
Let's review the direction words from that conversation.
Go straight ahead means walk forward. Do not turn.
Turn left means go to the left side. Turn right means go to the right side.
On foot means you walk. You do not take a bus or car.
Is it far? You ask this to know the distance.
Remember these words and you can find any place.
Hello. Can you help me? I am looking for the hospital.
Yes. The hospital is near here. Turn right at this corner.
Turn right at this corner. Okay. Then what?
Then go straight ahead. Pass the park on your left.
Pass the park on my left. And then?
The hospital is the big white building. You will see it.
How many minutes by foot?
About 10 minutes by foot. It is not far at all.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
More direction words. Listen carefully.
Turn right at this corner means turn when you reach the corner.
Pass the park means you walk by the park. You do not stop.
Not far at all means very close. Almost there.
By foot is the same as on foot. Walking.
Repeat the directions slowly after me.
Go. Straight. Ahead.
Turn left at the traffic lights.
It is not far. Only 5 minutes on foot.
You cannot miss it.
Perfect. Now you know how to give directions.
Quiz time. 3 direction questions.
Question 1. You walk forward. You go. A. Turn right. B. Turn left. C. Straight ahead.
The answer is C, straight ahead. Keep walking forward.
Question 2. You are walking. No car. You travel. A. By bus. B. On foot. C. By train.
The answer is B, on foot. You are walking.
Question 3. The place is very close. You say. A. It is very far. B. It is not far at all. C. I am lost.
The answer is B, it is not far at all. Almost there.
Wonderful. Now you can ask for directions in English.
Next episode, at the doctor's office. Essential English.
Subscribe and we will see you next time. Goodbye.